Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful and very easy lace summer top. This project is very quick to do and it's perfect for the beginners. For this project I use Jacqueline from Mondial. You can find all the links and how much yarn you need in the description box, and a 4.5mm hook. We will need to work a foundation chain with a multiple of 3 plus 2, and we will need to work a set of 2 rows to complete the partner. So now we're going to chain 74. Okay, now we do 1 treble crochet stitch in the 6th chain from hook. So yarn over hook twice, then insert hook into the chain, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and complete the treble crochet stitch. Now chain 2, then we do another treble crochet stitch into the same chain. And this is the first V stitch. Okay, now we skip the next 2 stitches, the next 2 chains. Then we do another V stitch into the 3rd one. So insert the hook, we do the first treble crochet stitch, chain 2, then we do another treble crochet stitch into the same chain. And continue to repeat this until the end of this row. We skip the next 2 chains, then we do 1 treble crochet stitch into the last chain. And this is the first row of the partner. For the second row of the partner we start with the V stitch. So first chain 4, this is the count as your first treble crochet stitch, then chain 2, then turn the work, then we do 1 treble crochet stitch into the same stitch. Now we skip the next stitch, then we do another V stitch into the second treble crochet of the V stitch of the previous row. So 1 treble, chain 2, then we do another treble crochet stitch into the same stitch, skip the next, then we jump directly into the second treble crochet of the previous row, where we do another V stitch. So continue to repeat this until the end of this row. Now we skip the next 2 stitches, then we do a V stitch into the 4th chain to complete the second row of the partner. So now let's repeat these 2 rows of the partner together one more time. So first chain 4, this counts as your first treble crochet stitch, then turn the work, and now we do a V stitch into the next stitch. Now we skip the next stitch, then we do a V-stitch again into the next one, and continue to do this until the end of this row. Now we skip the next stitch, then we do one treble crochet stitch into the fourth chain, and this is the first row of the pattern. So now let's repeat the second row of the pattern together one more time. The second row begins with a V-stitch, so first chain 4, chain 2, turn the work, then we do another treble crochet stitch into the same stitch. Now we skip the next stitch, then we do another V-stitch into the next one. Skip the next, then we do another V-stitch into the next one, and continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this row. Now we skip the next 2 stitches, then we do a V-stitch into the fourth chain to complete the second row of the pattern. But now pay attention, because I want to change color, so we leave the last 2 loops on the hook, then insert the new color. I do a simple knot with the 2 ends of the 2 colors in this way. And now we are ready to repeat the first row of the pattern. So first chain 4, remember this counts as your first treble crochet stitch, then turn the work, and now we do a V-stitch into the next stitch. Skip the next stitch, then we do another V-stitch into the next one. So all we have to do now is to repeat this set of 2 rows until we will have a total of 24 rows, or until we reach the length about 52 centimeters or 20 inches. I will change color every 4 rows. Okay, now I have 6 stripes and my square is about 52 centimeters or 20 inches. So now do the second panel as we did the first. Before proceeding, I suggest you weave all the tails inside the garment using a tapestry needle. So now let's take the shoulder measurement. We place a marker to the top about 10 centimeters or 4 inches from the corner, and of course do the same on the other side. And now I place a marker about 18 centimeters or 7 inches from the corner for the armhole, and of course do the same on the other side. If you want, leave an opening at the bottom. So now grab a tapestry needle, then we sew all of these parts. So now let me show you the finished Jacqueline lace top. This is a great project for spring and summer season. The beautiful design on this crochet top is light and airy so that you can keep cool on even the warmest of days. This sweater top with this simple 2-panel design is perfect for the beginners because it works up fast and I used basic crochet stitches. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram if you create your Jacqueline summer top. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!